I'm Ryan with Advanced Fuel Dynamics, and this is our ultimate streetable track car build. We are here again working on our 08 Z06 Corvette. This time we're working on installing this roll bar that we got from our friends at Auto Power. Right now we've taken out the carpet. We also have the entire drivetrain and fuel tanks out of it. That makes a lot of this much easier. But we are marking for all the bolt holes and everything to get this installed. And this is great because it's going to add safety at the track. We're going to be able to mount our harnesses to it. And it really is not very intrusive into the storage space of this car. This is a street and track car, so it will drive back and forth to the track and all over the place. So having the space still in the back is going to be handy, and it's really not going to affect that all that much. Actually, it might give us a place to tie stuff down if we wanted to. So yeah, we're really excited about this. We are working on our 08 Z06 Corvette, and we have the fuel tanks out. This is the passenger side fuel tank, and what we're doing is we are going to replace the float in this side. There's a float in both sides. These are known to fail, and this car was showing signs of that. So while we have the tank out for the roll bar installation, we're going to go ahead and swap the fuel level sensor into the side of the tank. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to change out the pump inside. Now, our friends over at Deshworks have sent us a fuel pump for our Corvette project here. So there's a few things inside of here, but here's the main piece. Here's our fuel pump that we're going to be putting in here. So here's our new pump, and you can see that is a bit bigger than the stock pump here. But look at that difference there. Considerable difference in height and in diameter. All right, we got our new fuel pump on here. I've secured it to these little arms here. We got our hoses hooked back up. So I'm gonna slide this back down to this bottom bucket and clip it all back together, and then we're gonna have to do our wiring. Okay, we have our gas tank and we have our sending unit with our new fuel pump in it. We're gonna get this installed. That went right there. This is ready to go back in the car, and we're good to go.
We've been working on our C6 Z06. We've upgraded the engine, got a bunch of go-fast parts in the car, roll bar, fuel pump upgrade. Everything's done. Now it's time to put the drivetrain back in the car.